Andrew Holness, I'm so upset with you. You feel the Jamaican people. You feel the Jamaican society. How can you have so much cruise ship workers outside, out there? You hear the bag of noise on the internet. You hear the bag of thing talk on the media. And you not trying to reach out to the cruise line for taking back the people them? Are dead you want the people them dead out there? No, this is the second video me I make because my mother is on that ship with the 1,050 odd people or 40 odd people on board. And right now, the ship have to turn way and gone back at 80 because them wouldn't even allow them to stay in the Jamaican space. No, this is a ship with 1,000 odd people on board, Jamaican people. The same people them we have pay tax for your country. And you go turn them back. Andrew Holness, what you do? Andrew Holness, me did a road for you, but right now you let me down. You let down the whole Jamaica, yo. You tell me, say, the people, them can't even idle in the water, in the Jamaican water space until uno figure out what to do. Now the ship have to be turned and go back at 80 back our next country with few people. I wanna do. Una hear the cry from the people, una not make no effort at all to try and do something. Yo, me can't believe, Star. Me can't believe. I have family pan there, I have friends pan there, my mother they pan there. The other day, a bag of security have got curl my mother room because them hear her a ball and them not know if it's suicide, if she will kill herself or nothing like that. So them have to take for them precautionary measures. The person with the next door to my mother room, him not even have a phone. Because them catch him and move shake your way and them not sure if him will kill himself. Them have to take out shoes lace, them have to take out the phone card, them have to take out everything out of room and have security and money time 24/7. Now this is a Jamaican citizen. Them not live nowhere else. Jamaican have a right to be in a them country, corona or no corona. Oh, so we suspect them of having corona. So if we have one other country to deal with it, and we not deal with nothing. After we people them, take them in, quarantine them and do what uno have to do. The ship go as far as say, them a make them come at Jamaica and use the ship as a quarantine space. Since as uno claim say uno don't have no space to quarantine the people them. Work out something now. Work out something uno gonna make the people them dead out there.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Now, as you may already know, many of our fellow Jamaicans has been stuck at sea for weeks since this pandemic. And them I wonder why is it that our Prime Minister just will not take them home. Now, the cruise line allegedly had an agreement with the Jamaican government to bring the people to Jamaican shores. But then the Jamaican government said, we and no never have no farmer agreement like that. So now we Jamaican people still stuck out there at sea. Now several persons link me and say, Unstoppable, please make this known. I've done it before over and over again. But now another person link me and say, Unstoppable, here is a video. I am tired, I am frustrated, I am at the point where I feel suicidal. People, listen to this lady on the cruise ship, feeling stuck, trapped with no way out.
This a joke, boy, come here. This a joke. We can't take it no more. Boy, come up to me, pity them. It's not real. There's no way the cruise line could have taken up 1,044 hours halfway in the isolation and know the consequences when they can face. If anything, and tell such a lie like that, the cruise line is not lying. The government them need to let we home. We are Jamaicans first before anything else. Right now, I have a bus, I suffer from hypertension, I have high blood pressure. I don't know what happened to me in this room. I swear to God, we need to go up to be paying them a 2.5 months. No, for the 28th of March, for the 13th of March, I ship in isolation, I sleep in a quarantine, right? Then they put us in isolation from the 24th. We cross over to the ship on the 8th of May. From then, the 12 o'clock at night, in isolation thinking say we're gonna go on because we get confirmation say we even get in a writing say we're gonna dip on the ship and do isolation here until the 23rd we go home. I mean the only person we in contact with are the people who test with temperature them 2 times per day. With me put outside on the little table. Everybody have their own time for say me can't take it no more. Me a boss, me want go over me hand.
I want to send this message to Dr. Horace Chang. I am here stuck on a cruise ship. The information we get on the cruise ship is Jamaica Prime Minister, that is Andrew Olney, said we are supposed to be quarantined again on the ship for 14 days with a letter from the doctor. That is what I have been told on the ship that I moved from on a lifeboat to come on this one. That we are supposed to be quarantined. We are going to reach Jamaica. We're supposed to reach Jamaica on the 15th, but because of the delay here, we are going to arrive in Jamaica on the 18th, and we will be disembarked. That is when the quarantine for us will end on the 23rd. We will disembark and go home. That is what they told us. So when you are saying that no ship is coming into Jamaica and all of those things that you're talking, the Prime Minister, I know the Prime Minister. Yes, the company may be telling us lie, but the Prime Minister supposed to be aware, because before the company start to transfer crew member from ship to ship, so that over 1,000 Jamaica can be on this ship, he have to have an idea. I don't think Royal Caribbean would just pack everybody and sending them and shipping them home. Every country accepting their people. So I don't know why you're saying things that are going on social media, it's wrong. It's not wrong, because I am on the ship. I am on Adventure of the Sea. I am on the ship, and I know we are scheduled to go to Jamaica, and we leave in Dominican Republic today, and we will arrive, because tomorrow will be a whole day at sea. Then the following day we will be in Jamaica. So social media isn't giving wrong information. It's not giving wrong information. I was in quarantine for 21 days on the ship that I'm coming from. Leave from that ship as I come on Adventure of the Sea. The big announcement on the ship was Jamaica government say we are supposed to be quarantined here. That's when we arrive in Jamaica and leave the ship on the 23rd. We will be going home to our family. That's the information we get here, and that's the information we are giving to you out there. So, Mr. Prime Minister, I don't know the art you have for us out here. You see how many crew members taking their lives on the ship, want to go home. And I hear you in your briefing saying, where are you going to put us? What you mean, where are you going to put mother, father who are stuck on the ship? I don't think you have a heart. And I know if someone close to your family was stuck on the ship, you would do everything you can to get them home. One plane load of people come from New York. The virus is contaminating in New York. I am on the ship. Nobody on the ship of the virus. Nobody. I want to go home to my family. So I'm pleading to you. People are saying we are not paying tax. Every money we work on the ship, we come and we spend it in Jamaica. You are going to open for tourism, but yet still we are stuck on the ship. That is crap. That is crap. And you think over 1,000 crew members is going to sit on this ship, and when we reach Jamaica, captain have to turn the ship? It will not happen. It will not happen. Captain call everybody, all Jamaican, the Prime Minister of Jamaica say you are supposed to do a survey to come back home. When we do the survey, we have 48 hours to complete the survey. When we complete the survey, they call back and say they want the confirmation number, because after you do the survey, it says thank you for submitting. And then it send a code. and they call us one by one and collect the code. When I came on this ship, the same evening I came, they call again and ask for the code. And then they announce in the night, say, everybody, the 1,000 plus crew member have been approved. Everybody full the survey and it has been approved. No mixed information. No mixed information. It's because I didn't tape when the captain, I know, but I'm going to try not to miss nothing that the captain have to say about Jamaica. Because I don't think Royal Caribbean would put all Jamaican on a cruise ship and sending them home without the Prime Minister of Jamaica have no form of idea. Go the extent and telling us that the survey have been approved, which they say we're supposed to get letter. From the ship that I'm coming from, they give us a letter to show that we are free from COVID. Since I came on this ship, not even a room key I don't have. They take the room key, we are locked down. The only thing we get, the 3 meals, and when they come to take temperature twice per day. Everybody want to go home. It's like we're born in another country and we are beg the Prime Minister of another country to take us in. That is crap. That is crap. And then Mr. Chung or what your name going to talk about, say what is going on social media. It's lie. It's not lie. Crew member frustrated. People have them pitting out, they want to go to their family to see. We stuck at sea. Storm a come. We want to go home. And you go talk crap about him. Want to follow social media. Send the people in their yard, then go quarantine. People can quarantine at their house. Send them home. If you don't have place to put them. But me know the ship now go come to Jamaica and turn back like they want to reach a Europe. Nobody pan the ship not sick. We get letter. Prime Minister say in a parliament say you when a test for the virus, you probably test now. But you might get it. Nobody now go encounter with nobody. Everybody locked down. Uncle Jamaica one pan the ship locked down. Everybody can walk around freely. Jamaica is the only Caribbean country where lockdown pan ship can come out of their room. Everything you get at the door. Then come take your temperature at the door. And Mr. Prime Minister, I play hard. If your sister did have his son or his daughter out here, you would have do everything for them come in. Me not educated, you know. Me not educated. But me listen. Me listen you talk and like you talk and it's like, as we the people must say, it's like, we are not nobody. We are not nobody. Well, Mr. Prime Minister and Mr. Chung, what's going on the media is not lie. We are on our way coming to Jamaica because that's the information we get from the company. Say you give them permission to take us home and we should be quarantined on the ship. So the company have us quarantine, give us a letter because the company test us, give us a letter of proof. If you don't have fast, nowhere if you put us send where we are because we quarantine on the ship. We now go with the expectation that we are going to Jamaica, go quarantine again for 14 more days. Because that's not what we heard on the ship. If you send us home, whoever want left them yard when they go home, you charge them. But if you don't have nowhere, what we are going to do? You don't have no heart. You have 2 little sons come up. Suppose I did one of them out there stuck. Me know you would do everything to get them back. Everything you would do. If I did a sister Pitney out here, you would do everything to get them back. We're tired of this bullshit now. It's like we're not born and grew at Jamaica. Or where we come from, St. Lucia, Dominican Republic or Haiti, Haitian don't even quarantine on the ship. Haitian just come off. Ghana there, yeah. Dominican Republic, no, we still in the Dominican Republic. The government or the Prime Minister or whatever take them. Then Ghana their yard. And they weren't quarantined on the ship. Only we alone quarantine on the ship.
And after that, they are free to go home. We are now setting course towards Falmouth. Our target date for Falmouth was the 18th. However, we have not received any confirmation from the Jamaican authority. But we are on our way there regardless. Now I must say everybody has done their part in this case. The company has provided a ship for the Dominicans to travel home, and the Dominican authorities did their part to allow them to come back home. The next topic is, of course, your situation. And once again, the company has done their part. We have the ship. You have done your part. God knows. You have been in isolation for a month, most of you. And now we expect the Jamaican authorities to do their. And the company is putting as much pressure as they can on the authorities to allow you to disembark. But the decision is still to come from the authorities, that means. Anyways, we are all looking forward to latest the 23rd to be alongside, so that you can proceed home straight for the ship, since you have been isolated for, by then, 15 days. Thank you much for your attention, guys, and we hope for a quick resolution to this issue. Have a nice afternoon.
I'm tired physically, I'm tired mentally, I'm tired emotionally, I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm 6 years now, but the partnership I work on every time I go, I come home, I help people, I do everything for my family, I take care of my family. Them. I believe I go to college on Friday, I help them, I help everybody we can help. Just because I don't want to become misfit, I don't want my people to be educated and come out of poverty. Because work for better myself and my family. I am a single mother, right? I be out there because I turn gruff and still depend on man. I be come out there cause stuck out and work. I be yard and I can't go there. I'm tired.
You know what confused me? What is the real reason why these Jamaicans can't come home though? Because my question that I keep asking, just the same way how deportees can come home and get quarantined, why is it that the Jamaicans on the ship cannot come home and be quarantined just the same? That is the question that is confusing me right there. Is there an answer? Now, if you can remember, there was allegations that the Jamaican government said them did have to pay $100 and something a day to be quarantined. Then the Jamaican government said, we never say nothing like that. Then we just hear it calm down again. While the people them still did a cry out and say, we want to come home. Now something else come up, then the Jamaican government has said, we don't say nothing like that. So it's all kind of contrary. What is really happening? Watch on man people, talk to me down in the comment section, let me know what you think really are going. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. If this is your very first time here and you're not subscribed yet, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so once we upload a video, you will continue to stay in the know. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.